Pool Payday screen rotation problems usually come from the app, your device's rotation setting, or an orientation lock that is preventing the screen from changing. By the end of this guide, you'll know which settings to check first and what to do if Pool Payday still refuses to rotate. First, check your device's screen rotation setting. On Android, swipe down from the top of the screen and look for Auto Rotate. If it says Portrait or Rotation Lock, tap it to enable automatic rotation. Then reopen Pool Payday and test the screen again. On iPhone, open Control Center and look for the Portrait Orientation Lock button. If the lock is enabled, tap it to turn it off. Return to Pool Payday and check whether the screen now responds when you turn the phone. If other apps rotate normally but Pool Payday stays in one orientation, the problem may be specific to the app. Close Pool Payday completely instead of leaving it running in the background. Then launch it again and test rotation before changing anything else. If that does not work, restart your phone. A restart can clear temporary app or system problems that affect screen behavior. After the phone turns back on, open Pool Payday again and check the same screen. Next, check whether Pool Payday has an available update. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Search for Pool Payday and check whether an update button is available. Install the update if one is offered, then launch the app again. On Android, you can also clear Pool Payday's temporary cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Pool Payday, choose Storage, and use Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without using the Clear Data option. Reopen the app and test rotation. If you're using iPhone and the problem continues, there is no equivalent system-wide Clear Cache button for individual apps. Instead, check for an app update and restart the device. If necessary, reinstall Pool Payday, but make sure your account information is available before removing the app. So, the main fixes are simple. Disable rotation lock, restart Pool Payday, restart your phone, check for an app update and clear the app cache on Android. Your next step is to test automatic rotation in another app. If rotation works everywhere except Pool Payday, focus on the Pool Payday app rather than your phone's display settings. If this fixed the rotation bug, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.